What are you doing?
Cutting the wood.
Why are you cutting the wood?
Because,
Is it for the fire?
yeah.
Is that a sharp knife?
Yeah?
Oh, now what are you going to do? Cut the grass with your brothers?
Yeah.
Grass
Put this
harvesting?
in the fire.
Oh, yeah. Cutting grass?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Ready?
Oh, you're going to torch it?
Let there be fire!
What's happening here?
Pull this dry grass in the fire, and then it's gonna make it huge.
All right.
Here we go.
Ball o' fire.
One. Woo! Woo!